Hey, let me show you unboxing of the Redmi 13. So first, quick overview of the box. As you can see, we can find 108 megapixel camera, 33 watt charging, NFC, and there's the 5030 milliampere hours battery, the Helio G91 Ultra CPU. Of course, we've got here the Google apps, and we can find 90 Hz refresh rate, screen size 6.79 inches, and glass back design. Okay, so let's cut out these stickers and let's go inside, and let's also find out what kind of the accessories we will be able to find in this device. Okay, also on this smartphone with this foil we can find another time the top specs. Okay, that's how it looks, really nice. I like the color that I actually order. Take a look, it looks beautiful. There's a big LED light right here, the two cameras. Okay, it actually really feels like a glass, but really there's the glass in this price? I'm not sure, I'm gonna check this later. Right here we can find the power button with the fingerprint sensor, volume buttons. At the top we've got AR blaster, headphone jack, this is actually really nice. On the left side we've got the SIM tray, but I'm just looking for my SIM tool. I'm always losing my SIM tray. Oh, there it is. So let's see what kind of the card we can input here, I mean memory card. It's really easy to open it. And okay, we can input here the memory card and the SIM card, which is really nice. But it also looks like we can actually use two SIM cards, so two SIM cards or one SIM card and memory card. At the bottom we can find speaker, USB-C port, microphone, and at the top we can find pre-installed screen protector. Take a look. There it is. Right now let's try to turn it on. I'm gonna also go for the overview of the other accessories that we can find here, and I will also show you the quick setup of this smartphone. Let's find out what we can find in the box. Okay, weird opening actually. Right here we can find the SIM tool. On the reverse we can find silicone case, some paperwork, but it's not interesting. Yeah, this is the silicone case that comes with this phone. Really nice. It's flexible but not very thin, so it will definitely protect our smartphone. And right here we can find the USB-C to the USB cable, but unfortunately there's no charger. Okay, now let's try to move into the phone. As you can see, it actually comes with the HyperOS. So let's make this first setup quickly. We can actually find how the smartphone actually works, if it works quick or not. We cannot change the brightness right now, but we will do this after the setup. Let's go forward, let's skip this step. I'm gonna input the SIM card later, but I just wonder about some options that we'll be able to find here, like some features. Let's accept everything, skip this one. We can also find here the face unlock. Go back, go forward. We can change font. There's some wallpaper carousel, we got the app drawer, and it will be actually finished. It's pretty quick setup actually. And this back looks really nice. And we've got the 56% of the battery. I just wonder if there's like dual stereo speaker, but there's one at the bottom. But I just wonder about this one, the call speaker, if it actually works for the media. so we'll be able to check this. Okay, now this preparation actually takes some time. Okay, when we are waiting, I will actually try to put the case on it and see how it actually works. Okay, the setup is complete. Okay, so this case actually goes above the screen. Take a look. All around the screen, which means that when we put it on the flat surface, we will not scratch the screen. By the way, there's the pre-installed screen protector, and it also goes a little bit above the camera lenses. There's cutout for the fingerprint sensor for all of the ports, but we got this cover for the USB-C port, which means that when you actually put it here, the dust and other mess will not go inside. The cutout for AR blaster for the headphone jack. And now let's try to check the maximum brightness of this smartphone. There we go. We get also the sunlight mode that will even increase the brightness. Here we can find the refresh rate. What about the additional settings? We got the screen recorder, we get the game turbo, memory extension. Okay, pretty nice features right here. I wonder if we can find the performance mode. No, there is no performance mode, unfortunately. And there's NFC. Let's find if we can find network acceleration. Nope, there is no network acceleration actually. But yeah, that's all the quick unboxing of the Redmi 13. By the way, this one comes from the European distribution. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.